Hi, this video demonstrates a few tricks on how to quickly get measurements and use the attributes table to find properties and extract data. Open the Property Viewer and navigate to your area of interest. For this example, let's go to Queenstown. The default aerial imagery for Queenstown at this extent is quite blurred. I could choose to change my base map using the New Zealand imagery sourced from Lens or the Google imagery, but both sources are just as hazy. I can also look for other imagery layer options from the Aerial Imagery tab. The most recent imagery for 2015 is actually not as neat as the 2012 imagery. For the purpose of this example, I will prioritize clarity and choose 2012. A piece of land needs to be measured for a future development project. You need to determine an approximate land requirement area and the distance on all sides. Open the measurement tool from the tool selection at the bottom of your screen. This tool allows you to measure areas and distances by drawing on the map. Select your units to be square meters, and then draw your area. Double-click to end the drawing. Collect the area information, and then select to measure distances. Collect distance information for all sides. Note that you can also use the Draw or Type tool to complete the same task and have your measurements displayed on the map for printing later on. Take note that you may need to use square meters to be able to see the value if your area is smaller than 1 square kilometer. If you need a more precise area calculation for a series of combined parcels, contiguous or non-contiguous, you may want to use the Select and Extract tool instead. Open the Select and Extract tool from the tool selection at the bottom of your screen. Select all parcels included in your area. You will need to press on the Shift key on your keyboard to collect non-contiguous parcels and on the Control key to remove a parcel selected by accident. Once your selection is complete, click on the 3 small dots next to the layer name in the Select and Extract pane, and select Statistics. Change the field to Survey Area from the drop-down options. This information is provided for each parcel in the Lens Data Services. You can now see how many parcels are included within your selection and their total number of square meters. Now, let's try with another example. Imagine that you're looking for parcels which are larger or equal to 1 square kilometers. First, open the Attributes table from the icon on the bottom right of your screen, just over the eye. This table is basically a live spreadsheet of all the data currently displaying on your screen. The table currently displays data for the New Zealand primary parcels layer. Set the map on your screen to display your search area. You could scroll down through the table looking at the survey area information and taking notes of every parcel that matches your criteria, but that would be a slow process. Instead, click on Options and Filter. Select to search Survey Area. Change Is for Is at least. And enter the value 1000 since the data is recorded in square meters. Then, click OK. You now have a list of all the parcels matching with your criteria within your current map extent. If there are too many, reduce the area size by zooming in onto your map. The results will automatically adjust in the table. Click on the records in the table to view the property highlighted on the map. When you're happy with your results, you can extract this list as a spreadsheet. You can extract a complete list or your selected properties only. To extract your selection only, click on Options and on Show Selected Records. Then, click on Options again and click on Export Selected to CSV. A CSV is basically an Excel spreadsheet. This filter capability can be used in multiple ways. Another example would be to find all the properties owned by council within an area. Click on the All Ownership tab. The title and ownership information for the parcels on your screen are listed in alphabetical order using the owner's names. You can scroll through the list and find a name, which could become quite onerous. Or you can search for a name using the filter tool from the Options drop-down. Click on Add Expression, select what you want to search for, say owner's names, change to Contains, and type Council, for example. The resulting list shows all the properties currently on your screen that are owned by council. Again, you can change the extent of the map on your screen to see the list change accordingly. You can also select all records to highlight them on the map. Finally, you can extract the list as a spreadsheet. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more, check out the other videos as well. Honestly, we're just scratching the surface of what you can do.